was starting to get really frustrated. I was still watching my dreams slip out of my hands. Keep going!
My name is Rachel Degutz. I'm a 6-time competitor on American Ninja Warrior and empowerment speaker.
Only a small group of elite women have ever made it to the back half, and Degutz does it.
So let's give Rachel a warm welcome, and we're going to hear all about her.
I am passionate about speaking to students because when I was their age, I did not feel worthy of pursuing my dreams.
And deep down, I needed to see how far I could go with it. I couldn't live with the regret of never trying.
Students leave my presentations saying that they have a healthier understanding of competition, jealousy, and self-doubt.
I screamed to myself, I can actually do this. I felt one step closer to achieving my dream. One step closer to actually getting on the show, completing every obstacle, and hitting that buzzer at the end. None of this would have happened if I stayed hidden behind that bleacher and let my fears and embarrassment win. So ask yourself, when you are faced with something that scares you, something that makes you nervous, will you shrink behind the bleachers and hide? Or will you stand up anyway and live without regret?
She is absolutely inspiring. Her story is unique, and it's something that's applicable to anybody's life.
Schools should bring me in to help their students form a better understanding of their own goals and what their own path to success will look like.
Surround yourself with people who are like the person you want to be. They will help you get opportunities that bring you one step closer to your own goal. We are the average of the 5 people that we spend the most time with. So ask yourself, are you surrounded by people who push you towards your goals or pull you away from them?
She talked about treating her teammates with sportsmanship, the importance of being there for each other. She talked about all the respect she garnered for herself by not giving up. And then she talked about showing respect for her peers and her teammates by always making sure that she was there for them, even when they lost.